ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
North Eastern Council klapintip baka Sorkar Kmie nadu usnam arajak hatsau arajak hatsan hadu uni usnam baminta kelamang hadu syiajar sanpau Tylli project bat gejingmang tingka kelang hadu prahajar arspa arpusan kelur tingka habarok kuwe kat haj telamingi. Habakren chikla pathai khubor uki Moses Chalai budi sekretari ke North Eastern Council ulong bahapok ke Jylla Meghalaya gidan kat tu kat ni ki Surok ba ulalik ban pethi de lagi jangi khmat hari lum garo kum ke Phulbari Agyaro nalor kiwe pat ki bedegi projek balamang ke Sorkar Kmie. Shushu Chalai ulong bagi projek ki bahap hapok ke Nesid gidan haduh nyo Tylli ki Surok kuwe ke di ke Surok ban poish umroi airport ke Surok na 9 mile Syapilang kata ke Surok jiri kendeng ke Bladep bat ke Surok Jylla Mausen Ram bat pen Ursla.
Quite a few roads. In fact, I went to see one of the roads in Garo Hills. That Phulbari, Agia, Mathura road, that recently. So likewise, a number of roads and smaller projects of some sports related, livelihood related, and so a number of businesses are there. Whenever there is unrest, the pace of the work gets affected. One of our road slowed down in Manipur. It does. It's true. So peace is definitely very, very important. Maybe I will not get to specific, but two of our roads. It's happening once again. It's picking up, but I think we have been set back by a few months. Definitely. One road going to Hanglep subdivision in Hanglep is in Chorashampur district. NEC is not directly dealing with the law and order. Tomorrow, end of this month, I should be going to Delhi as new assignment. That's under Home Ministry. I'm yet to get it, the contours of it clearly. Once I go there, of course, I'll do study. So in my new avatar there, I think these issues of peace and mitigating conflicts between states and regions is going to be there. But as Secretary NEC, we have no direct role today.
The main issue that we're facing is also the ability to spend. So even if you have the money and if you do not have the ability to spend and spend well and spend it on time. So this is one major issue. The availability of budget is depending on your expenditure performance. So we have a review every October. And the expenditure performance of each sector is reviewed, including the states, and based on the expenditure incurred, which is related to the physical progress on the ground, the budget is revised every year. So if you do well, you get a budget. So I think these are very related issues you need to perform. And then the Government of India will surely provide more outlay if we perform very well on the ground.
Very simplistic, take on this. But we'll take a little time from what Mr. Parmai says. Our capacity of absorbing in notice, I think for quite some time has been not up to the mark. But of late we see that the states are also gearing up. And we execute through our states. So unless they move fast, we also cannot be. We cannot move fast. But so it is kind of interlinked somewhere. But I would like to say that a lot of effort has been put, and some improvement is there. So in the days to come, this is likely to improve. For instance, the donor budget used to be. Donor means we are also part of the Ministry of Donor. It used to be just about close to 3,000, less than 3,000 actually.
Little more than
around 3,000. But this year we got 6,000 plus. PM Divine and all that. So, and the PM Divine has come with 6,000 crores. What I'm trying to say is that somewhere Government of India is also realizing that we can do better. But again, some teething and the transition issues are there. But I hope that we are now going to the next level where the budgets are going to be bigger and much bigger. But for that, yes, everyone, including NEC, needs to work more. Yeah. Said to be, I shouldn't take names, but all the states are not alike. But by and large, improvement is happening somewhere. And the that fund flow system is now not through the state treasury, state finance department. It goes directly to the vendor. So now the state, now it will all depend on the concerned department and the vendor how they can quickly execute the work. So there will be a lot of improvement in that. Yeah. But let me still say yes. It's not alike. The 8 states are not all the same. Maybe it is not fair for me to take names, but some of them need to, perhaps, definitely can do better. To put it in a very general manner, again within Meghalaya, all the departments are not alike. Some departments are more responsive, and some departments sometimes tend to kind of drag on. So I think within the state also, all the departments are not alike, and I understand that the management, the monitoring system of Meghalaya government is has picked up a bit, and so should do it better in the district. One, two we faced is one road we could not do it because the state government could not resolve the land, and there were some issues on the ground. Not going into detail, but only one thing is that yes, land is a very sensitive thing. But I am also tribal. We cannot have the cake and eat it too. Somewhere, the tribals also have to learn how to. It's a sensitive thing. I mean, there are what called regulations. There are protections. I'm sure that because of the need, they are there, and they perhaps need continue to be need there. But somewhere the balancing has to be good. I mean, if we say I want the road also, but I will not give you the land, then sorry, it doesn't happen. So some issues are there, but anyway, we did come across one case here.